Today, social media has an array of positive, cool effects throughout the world. We asked Miss Gina Gilman her thoughts on a situation that hits close to home.
The Facebook account is called Lizzie's Lifesavers. Megan likes to post information as far as current research and what's going on in the research field. She also likes to post pictures of Lizzie so people can kind of chronicle Lizzie's journey along with us, because oftentimes people look at Lizzie and think that Lizzie's healthy. But Lizzie's not healthy. Lizzie fights a battle every day of her life. It's just we can't see what's going on in her lungs.
Social media has helped Lizzie out in many ways, including raising money for cystic fibrosis research throughout the country.
My daughter Megan decided to start the Facebook page because she wanted to create awareness of cystic fibrosis, because a lot of folks were unaware of exactly what the disease was all about and how funding was in order to find a cure. And the government currently does not fund any of that research, so the only way cystic fibrosis is funded is through a grassroots effort. We were hoping to really increase, especially in mid-Missouri, awareness of cystic fibrosis and how it affects the people who are born with it. And we were hoping to get more and more people on the bandwagon with us to help raise money so we can make CF stand for Cure Found and not cystic fibrosis.
I'm Andrew Lummis, reporting for The Bite.